So let's begin in Massachusetts and that Daubert hearing we've been following all day today for Karen Reed. And joining us now, someone who knows a lot about this case, Court TV crime and justice correspondent Matt Johnson is with us. Matt, what can you tell us about how things are going and how things will go in this hearing?
Good afternoon. We are watching this one very closely. This is a key witness for the defense, someone that came out of the blue during the first trial. So Dr. Marie Russell in the hot seat today, being challenged as a dog bite expert, and her opinion that John O'Keefe was attacked by a canine before his untimely death. Today is day 2 of the Daubert hearing, where the judge will decide if she is qualified to testify during the retrial scheduled for April 1st. During direct examination, that took place over the holidays last month. So, today is the second part, which is the cross-examination. Here is some key testimony from the medical doctor on both direct and cross.
Do you have an opinion with regard to the nature and source of the wounds on Mr. O'Keefe's right arm?
Yes.
What is that opinion?
Those wounds were inflicted by a dog attack.
Do you hold that opinion to a reasonable degree of medical certainty?
Yes.
You've opined that these are bites, teeth going in and out of those holes all the way up and down the arm.
Yes.
Yeah. Now, it is remarkable that there is no dog DNA on any of those holes in the sweater, isn't it?
Again, there's an issue with the collection and transportation of that.
I'd love to talk to you about that. We're going to, but you got to get through my questions first.
Okay.
It is remarkable as a doctor, as a scientist, that there is no dog DNA in any of those swabs or holes. It's remarkable, isn't it?
Remarkable would not be the word I use.
Extraordinary.
No, I disagree.
Hard to believe.
I disagree.
Okay. Now, there is no dog DNA. Do you think somehow that hurts your cause or your case for your opinion?
Objection, Your Honor.
Sustained.
Dr. Russell has never testified as a dog bite expert prior to this case. Remember, she was the one who contacted the defense after the start of the first trial. Her first voir dire process was only a couple of hours and lasted, again, much shorter. And the judge made her an expert right away.
Yeah, this has definitely been long to watch, Matt, and it's going to continue throughout the afternoon. What more should we be watching for as this continues to unfold?
Well, the rehabilitation, right, by defense counsel. What will they do, and what does that redirect look like? From the start, this has been a heated cross, with the Commonwealth's new special prosecutor, Hank Brennan, at the podium asking those tough questions. Dr. Russell being challenged today on her memory, her opinions, and her education.
Because there is no methodology or standard for you to look at, it involves a great deal of your subjective opinion based on your experience treating dog wounds, doesn't it?
You know, with all due respect, Mr. Brennan, I'm not somebody that just came in off the street. No, I believe you're again mischaracterizing it. I'm relying on my personal experience plus what I've learned from these numerous articles. I actually find that offensive. I saw something in the Boston Globe, and Mr. Brennan, I wasn't following the case at all. I don't even subscribe to the Globe for information about this general region.
You don't have to be defensive about it. You see that this here, 2 teeth, if the dog's canines started here and worked their way down this way, they don't line up. They're not even. It's backwards.
It would be an odd configuration.
Well, odd. It would be like Ripley's Believe It or Not. The dog would have to have their teeth the opposite way.
No, I could see how that could happen.
So the big question right now, what we're watching for, will the decision by the court be made today? Historically, Judge Beverly Cannoni takes arguments under advisement during pretrial hearings, but this is someone who the court has already deemed and qualified as a dog bite expert prior in trial number 1. Now, ladies, what we do know is that Judge Beverly Cannoni has also cleared the rest of her docket for the day. She's allowing for this this hearing to go on for a few more hours.
Oh, wow. A lot to get to. We are going to follow it all. Matt Johnson, thank you so much for that report.